So we're repairing a slab leak on the hot water side, and we thought it may not be too bad, but as we got in here, we just keep finding more and more concrete. So that is all concrete in there. It should have been blocked off. It shouldn't be there at all, but it's making it tough because those pipes that are supposed to be sleeved, which they were, I mean, this one doesn't go all the way down to the concrete. Well, maybe none of them do, but it's making it tough because the concrete's not supposed to be touching them. So and then trying to bust it out, it's hard to bust it without damaging the pipe. So turning out to be a bigger job and quite a challenge. Okay, back over here on day 2. Unfortunately, the leak was farther back than what we thought, and we couldn't really tell because in the course of hitting all the concrete, or in the course of chipping out all this concrete, we got into some of the other pipe and made it leak, so we weren't able to test anything. But once I got it all together, can't really see it now because I've been chipping some more, but this pipe back in there is leaking back that way. So now I've got to try to get all of this concrete, and we're pushing 2 feet plus, maybe, yeah, about 2 feet to what I can see. And we're running out of room. I'm trying to avoid going on the other side because that's finished. The whole house is done with tile and it's all the same. So there's no transition areas or anything. And then we're getting in to the air ducts are going to be real close. Got a little bit further. I don't know if you'll really be able to see it, but there's the plenum. I guess it's the plenum. I'm not a heat and air guy. And also, did I mention that to top it off, the AC lines also run right through the middle of this, and they're also encased in concrete. Quite a bit further down in there. Right there, you can see that water moving. It's actually not on right now. I have it cross-connected right here though with the cold, so I can turn this valve on and so hopefully that is the, well, it's actually a little bit further back in there. I thought it was in that white spot. It looks like it's actually further back. Can't even really reach it. No, I guess it is right there. It's just spraying up on it. Oh, I can see it now. Yeah, I don't know if you can make that out, but right there. Little pinhole. So, probably bust a little more concrete, but that's the plenum right there. All right, we finally got back far enough to get onto some pipe. We've cut it about as close as we can. This is pretty much our last shot. So we finally got this all together. Everything's holding, no more leaks. That one was tough. Wasn't room to get the torch, solder, and my hand in there at one time, so that was a challenge. But it's back together. I'm gonna set the water heater in here just for now, and then we'll come